Here's how to fix the CS2 VAC was unable to verify your game session error. Open Task Manager, find Steam in the Processes tab, right-click it and select End Task. Go to the Details tab and end any remaining Steam-related processes by right-clicking and selecting End Process Tree. Search for Steam, right-click and select Open File Location twice until you reach steam.exe. Right-click it, select Properties, then the Compatibility tab, and check Run this program as administrator. Click OK, then reopen Steam and confirm any admin prompt. Go to your library, find the problem game, right-click it, select Properties, then Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Search for Firewall and Network Protection. Click Allow an app through Firewall, then change settings. Find CS2 or CSGO in the list and check both private and public boxes. If it is not listed, click Allow another app, browse to your installation folder, and add it manually. Click OK, restart your computer, and the error should be resolved. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.